Okay, so I haven't done a video in a long time, and I figured I better make one, just to kind of give you guys an update on what's going on with my plants and stuff. This is Harvest Moon's Croton. I'm not sure exactly what the heck this thing is called, but it's some kind of an ornamental plant. I ended up repotting it out of one of its little pots that it was in. Same thing with this one. This is like a little fern that belongs to Katrina. I ended up replanting it and pulling out a lot of the dead brown ones. This is my little honey locust tree that used to be a little twig, or actually this is not mine, this is Harvest Moon's. But this was the little twig that has grown up a little bit, and I expect it'll probably grow some more after the winter's over with. And these are two little apple tree seedlings that I gave to Harvest Moon. Out of the 5 seeds that I had out of one apple, 3 of them actually germinated. Well, 4 of them germinated. One of them didn't really grow, it died. And there's these 2, and then I've got one in my room. Here we have my little dandelion plants. They sprouted a little bit at the beginning of the summer, and they didn't really take off too well. And then as it started getting cooler, they started sprouting a little bit more and growing, so hopefully I will have some dandelion salad greens pretty soon. We'll see. Okay, so this is a plant that Harvest Moon and I actually salvaged from the dumpster outside. I guess somebody moved and they tossed it out, and I pulled it out of the dumpster and repotted it in this big pot right here. And tried to clean off the leaves a little bit, and gave it a bunch of water. And this was, I guess, about also sometime last week, and it's starting to grow a little sprout right there, so I guess it's a happy plant. Up here we have my little moringas. I'm not sure what they're doing, but all the leaves fell off again. But hopefully they will sprout back. They don't look dead. One of the 4 trees was dead. I had to pull it out, but these others still look like they're alive, even though they're not sprouting yet. Over here we have that one plant that used to be in the pot where this plant is now. And it seems to like the sun a lot more because it's got some little sprouts right here on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can't see it very well on the camera, but it started sprouting little shoots out the side. Down here, this is a plant that I planted and forgot about because it never sprouted. So when I repotted this plant into this pot, then it decided to sprout, and what this is wormwood. I've got wormwood in this little tree. Over here we have basil, which I haven't trimmed in a while. And we have that goji right there still. And the goji ended up sprouting another goji plant right out of the middle. So I've got 2 of these now. And of course, this is my apple mint that I really need to harvest this. Here we have my strawberries, which they haven't put out any more flowers or created any more strawberries, but they sure put out a lot of suckers, so I've got a lot more little strawberries going on, or strawberry plants going on in here. This is my second attempt at trying to do a sweet potato. Hasn't sprouted roots yet, and I need to put some more water in it. This is such a little tree for such a big pot, but this is the other little apple tree seedling that I've got. And it seems to be doing quite nice. I'm very proud of that. Here we have the 2 bell peppers. I don't have any more chili peppers. I've got plenty of seeds, so I may grow some more, but the ones that I had weren't really doing too well since I couldn't keep them in the light that much anymore. So they ended up dying, and I pulled them out. Along with the tomatoes. The tomatoes didn't make it either. And here we have my aloe vera, which I don't know if this is normal, but this thing has got little thorns on it, kind of like with blackberries, and those things are sharp. Anytime I get my hand close, it catches it like that. But yeah, it doesn't seem like it's getting very thick. Well, this one's getting a little bit thick in the middle, but not much. Maybe it has to get bigger. This is my spearmint, and this is my catnip. And that's pretty much my update for all the plants. If I plant anything new, I'll let you guys know. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.